Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well and staying safe during the lockdown. I know that a lot of my fellow scouts here in Trinidad are putting a very brave face on it, and they're continuing their scouting out online in different ways. A couple of challenges on Facebook, things like that. Well, anyway, I thought I'd put out a little video on things that you can make with one of these, a size 10 food tin. There must be 1,000 things that you can do with a number 10 size food can. And in this video I'm going to show you two of them. A vital bit of survival equipment, this, you know. On the survival courses, the survival challenge that we do, we have this amongst the bric-a-brac. So all sorts of things. Very good for making a cooking pot or a Billie Can. I'm going to show you how to make a Billie Can out of one in this video. So to give you a simple little project to do while you're cooped up at home. If it takes your fancy, all you need is a pair of pliers, an ice pick, and perhaps a can opener if the can isn't opened already. Okay, let's get into it. Something you should remember, safety point, be careful with your fingers from cutting your fingers on the sharp edges there. If the can is cut open, remember to leave the rim on the can. But also remember that most tins, especially if they have an acidic content like tomatoes or ketchup or pizza sauce, nowadays have an epoxy coating on the inside there. So you have to burn that out before you use it, to throw it on the fire and make sure you get all of that out so that you're back to steel. And then you season the pot, you oil the pot so it doesn't rust between uses. Also, I have noticed that I've just recently crossed 900 subscribers, which is amazing to me. I thank you all, those of you that are still with me and still watching. I haven't done any giveaways on my channel, but I figured the lockdown's probably a good time to do it. I'm going to do it in two parts. I'm going to do two giveaways. The first one will be a national, so this is specifically for the Scouts, my fellow Scouts in Trinidad. Obviously it's difficult to ship things overseas at the moment anyway, the logistics are a little bit tricky, so that will come up. I will do an international giveaway. So, rules of the giveaway. It's open to anybody involved with scouting anywhere in Trinidad and Tobago. So even if you're a leader, if you've got somebody in mind who might like this prize, then put an entry in. All you have to do is on this video only, put "I'm in," and then when it comes to the drawing for it, I'll put your name in a hat and we'll draw for the prize. The prize being the flint and steel set that you saw used in this video to light the little tin can stove. So here it is, it's in a nice handmade leather, very rustic looking pouch there. You've got a couple of specially imported bits of English flint, rare as diamonds around here. A little bit of char cloth in there and a handmade steel. Excuse the engine noises there. Handmade steel there, that was made during a class that I did with the 6th Trinidad Sea Scouts one time. Throws sparks beautifully. So there you go. Everything a young scouter could need to get them started with a bit of traditional flint and steel fire lighting. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I haven't forgot all my international subscribers, everybody in the States there. I'll come up with something. Tough times at the moment. Everybody keep your chin up. Better times are coming. I'll see if I can come up with something else interesting for next week. Till the next one, Scout out.